What if I told you that AI has evolved beyond just answering questions? What if AI could now think, plan, and execute complex tasks completely on its own? Welcome to the world of AI agents, the future of autonomous artificial intelligence. Look at this. We're not just talking about another AI tool. We're talking about digital entities that can understand, reason, and act independently. Think of it as the difference between a calculator and a human assistant. In the next 12 minutes, I'll show you exactly what AI agents are, how they work, and most importantly, how you can start building them today. We'll go from complete beginner to actually writing code for your first agent. So if you're ready to dive into the cutting edge of AI technology that's already transforming industries, hit that like button and let's get started. But first, let me ask you, what do you think makes an AI truly intelligent? Keep that question in mind as we explore our first slide. Here's our robot friend, and this perfectly represents what we're talking about. An AI agent is an autonomous software system that can perceive its environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve specific goals without constant human intervention. Look at these 4 core capabilities on the slide. Perceive. The agent can understand and interpret information from its environment, just like how you might read a room when you walk in. Reason. It can think through problems, weigh options, and make logical decisions based on available information. Act. Here's where it gets exciting. The agent can actually do things. It's not just giving you advice, it's taking concrete actions. Learn. And it gets better over time, learning from successes and failures to improve its performance. The slide says it perfectly. Think of it as a digital assistant that can think, plan, and execute tasks independently. Imagine asking a traditional AI chatbot, "Help me plan a birthday party." It would give you a list of suggestions, but an AI agent, it would actually research venues, check availability, compare prices, make reservations, send invitations, and follow up with guests. That's the difference we're talking about. But how does this magic actually work? What's happening under the hood? Let's break it down. Look at this beautiful grid. These 6 components are like the organs of an AI agent's body. Each one is essential, and together they create something truly powerful. Large language model. This is literally the brain. It's what processes information, understands context, and generates responses. This could be GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, whatever gives your agent its intelligence. Goal system. Every agent needs a purpose. This defines what success looks like and keeps the agent focused. Without clear objectives, an agent is like a race car without a finish line. Tools and APIs. These are the agent's hands and connections to the world. Weather APIs, calculators, databases, web search, anything the agent needs to actually accomplish tasks. Memory. This is what separates agents from basic chatbots. Memory allows the agent to remember previous conversations, learn from experiences, and build context over time. Planning engine. This is where the magic happens. It takes complex goals and breaks them down into step-by-step action plans. It's like having a personal project manager built into your AI. Execution loop. This keeps everything running smoothly. The agent continuously acts, observes results, and adapts its approach in real time. Notice how all these components work together. The LLM provides intelligence, the goal system provides direction, tools provide capability, memory provides context, planning provides strategy, and the execution loop provides persistence. Now that we understand the components, let's see how all of them work together in action. Look at this beautiful workflow. These rotating circles represent the heartbeat of every AI agent. It's a continuous 4-step process that I call the agent loop. Input. This is where everything starts. The agent receives information, maybe a user request, like book me a flight to Tokyo, or an environmental change, like stock price dropped 5%. The agent perceives and processes this information. Plan. Here's where the magic happens. The agent doesn't just react, it thinks. For that Tokyo flight, it might plan to check your calendar, research flight options, compare prices, consider your preferences, and identify the best booking strategy. Execute. Now the agent gets to work. It uses its available tools, accessing travel APIs, checking airline websites, comparing prices, and actually making the reservation. Each step builds on the previous ones. Reflect. After completing actions, the agent evaluates the results. Did it find a good flight? Was the price reasonable? What could be improved next time? This reflection feeds back into its memory. The beautiful thing about this process is that it's continuous. The agent doesn't just complete one task and stop, it keeps looping, handling new inputs, refining its plans, and getting better over time. The slide mentions 4 key points that really drive this home. 1. Receive input, user request or environmental change. 2. Create plan. Break down the task into actionable steps. 3. Execute actions. Use tools and APIs to complete tasks. 4. Reflect and learn. Evaluate results and update knowledge. This workflow is universal, but not all agents are created equal. Let me show you the different types. Look at this grid. It's like a family tree of AI agents. Each type has its own personality and strength. Let me introduce you to the family. Reactive agents. These are the speed demons. They respond to immediate stimuli without overthinking. Think of a smart thermostat that adjusts temperature based on current conditions. Fast, but not fancy. Deliberative agents. These are the chess masters. They think several moves ahead, planning and reasoning about future actions. They're slower, but much more strategic. Goal-based agents. These are the achievers. Give them a target, and they'll figure out how to reach it. They're like that friend who always accomplishes their New Year's resolutions. Utility-based agents. These are the optimizers. They don't just achieve goals, they find the best way to achieve them. They're always looking for the most efficient, cost-effective, or beneficial approach. Learning agents. These are the students. They improve their performance over time by analyzing past experiences and adapting their strategies. They get smarter with every interaction. Multi-agent systems. These are the team players. Multiple specialized agents working together, each contributing their unique skills. It's like having a whole department of AI specialists. Which type should you choose? It depends on your use case. Need fast responses? Go reactive. Complex planning required? Choose deliberative. Have clear objectives? Goal-based is perfect. Want optimization? Pick utility-based. Need continuous improvement? Learning agents are ideal. Complex problems? Multi-agent systems are your friend. But how do these agents compare to the AI tools you might already be using? Let's find out. This comparison table tells the whole story. Let me walk you through each row because this is where you'll really understand why AI agents are such a game changer. Autonomy. Traditional AI requires human guidance at every step. You ask, it answers. But AI agents, they act independently. You give them a goal, and they figure out the entire path to get there. Scope. Traditional AI is like a specialist doctor, incredible at one thing. AI agents are like a general practitioner who can handle multiple, complex, interconnected tasks. Adaptation. Traditional AI gives you static responses based on training data. It's like having a really smart book. AI agents provide dynamic learning. They adapt to new situations in real time. Tools. This is huge. Traditional AI is often isolated from external systems. AI agents are like digital Swiss Army knives. They integrate with APIs, databases, web services, and any tool they need. Memory. Traditional AI is stateless. Every conversation starts fresh. AI agents have persistent memory, building context and relationships over time. They remember your preferences, your history, your goals. What does this mean practically? Traditional AI can help you write an email. An AI agent can manage your entire email workflow, reading, prioritizing, responding, scheduling follow-ups, and learning your communication style. Convinced that agents are the future? Great, let's talk about how to actually build them. Ready to start building? This grid shows the most popular frameworks that make creating AI agents accessible to everyone. Think of these as construction toolkits for building your AI workforce. LangChain. This is the Swiss Army knife of AI development. It's probably the most comprehensive framework out there, providing everything you need to build complex agent applications. Great documentation, huge community. AutoGPT. This focuses on creating autonomous GPT-4 agents that can work independently for extended periods. Perfect if you want to build agents that can handle long-term projects without supervision. LangGraph. This takes a graph-based approach to agent orchestration. Excellent for creating complex workflows where different agents need to collaborate and pass information between each other. Crew AI. This specializes in multi-agent collaboration. Think of it as building a team of AI specialists that work together, each with their own role and expertise. Semantic kernel. This is Microsoft's contribution to the space. It's particularly strong if you're already working within the Microsoft ecosystem and want tight integration. Haystack. This focuses on NLP-focused applications. Great for building agents that need to process and understand large amounts of text data. For beginners, I'd recommend starting with LangChain because of its extensive documentation and active community. But the best framework depends on your specific needs and existing tech stack. Enough theory. Let's actually build something. I'm going to show you how to create your first AI agent in just a few lines of code. Here we go. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Let's build a real AI agent together. I'm showing you actual code that you can copy and run today. Let's break this down step by step. First, we import our dependencies. These are the building blocks we need from the LangChain framework. Next, we define our tools. This simple function represents web search capability. In a real implementation, this would connect to Google, Bing, or another search API. Now we create the actual agent. We're using OpenAI's model as the brain, setting temperature to 0 for consistent responses and giving it access to our search tool. Finally, we run our agent. Behind the scenes, it realizes it needs current weather information, decides to use the search tool, executes the search, and formulates a response. What's happening when you run this? The agent receives your question, recognizes it needs real-time data, plans to use the search tool, executes the search, and then uses the results to give you an intelligent answer. This slide outlines the essential steps for any agent. Choose your LLM, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, etc. Define available tools. What can your agent actually do? Set up reasoning capabilities. How does it think through problems? Create execution environment. Where does it run? And test and iterate. Make it better over time. This is just the beginning. You can add more tools, improve the reasoning process, add memory capabilities, and create more sophisticated planning mechanisms. Now let's see how these agents are already transforming the real world. Look at this grid. These aren't future possibilities. These are real applications happening right now. AI agents are already transforming every industry you can think of. Business automation. Companies are using agents to manage email campaigns, schedule meetings across time zones, analyze business data, and generate insights. Imagine having a tireless assistant that handles all your routine business tasks. E-commerce. Online stores are deploying agents for personalized shopping experiences and inventory management. These agents learn your preferences, track your budget, and actively find the best deals for you. Healthcare. Hospitals are using agents for patient monitoring and diagnosis assistance. They can track vital signs, alert medical staff to concerning patterns, and even help doctors by analyzing symptoms against medical databases. Education. Schools are revolutionizing learning with agents that provide personalized tutoring and create custom content. Each student gets an AI tutor that adapts to their learning style and pace. Gaming. Game developers are creating NPCs that feel truly alive. These characters have their own goals, memories, and personalities that evolve based on player interactions. Smart homes. Home automation is getting intelligent with agents that learn your routines, optimize energy usage, and coordinate all your connected devices seamlessly. Here's what's exciting. You can start building agents for your own use cases today. Whether it's automating your social media, managing your investments, organizing your daily life, or running your business, AI agents can handle it all. Every single industry on this slide is being transformed. The companies embracing AI agents now are the ones that will lead their industries tomorrow. But this is just the beginning. Let me show you what's coming next. Look at this glowing brain. It represents the incredible future we're building. We're standing at the beginning of the AI agents revolution, and what's coming next will blow your mind. What's coming next? Multimodal agents. Soon, agents will integrate vision, audio, and text seamlessly. Imagine an agent that can see your workspace, hear your conversations, read your documents, and understand context across all these modalities. Specialized agents. We're moving toward agents with deep domain expertise. Legal agents that understand law better than most lawyers. Medical agents with encyclopedic healthcare knowledge. Financial agents that can navigate complex markets. Agent networks. Picture collaborative AI ecosystems where hundreds of specialized agents work together to solve complex global challenges. Climate change, poverty, disease. Teams of agents tackling humanity's biggest problems. Ethical AI. As agents become more powerful, we're developing frameworks to ensure they're responsible, transparent, and aligned with human values. This isn't just about capability. It's about building AI we can trust. Edge computing. Agents will become faster and more private, running directly on your devices rather than in the cloud. Your personal agent will know everything about you while keeping that information completely secure. Here's my prediction. Within the next 2 to 3 years, having a personal AI agent will be as common as having a smartphone. These agents will know you better than you know yourself and will be capable of handling increasingly complex aspects of your life. The slide says it perfectly. Start building today. The future of AI is autonomous, intelligent, and accessible to everyone. The question isn't whether AI agents will transform everything, it's whether you'll be part of building that transformation. We've journeyed through all 10 slides together, from understanding what AI agents are to exploring their components, types, and real-world applications. Most importantly, we've seen the actual code you need to start building your own agents today. The key takeaway is this. AI agents represent a fundamental shift from reactive AI to proactive AI. They're not just tools, they're digital teammates that can think, plan, and act independently. Your homework? Pick one of the frameworks we discussed, choose a simple use case from your own life, and start building. Don't worry about making it perfect, just start experimenting and learning. Drop a comment below and let me know. What kind of AI agent do you want to build first? Business automation, personal assistant, something completely different? I read every comment and love hearing about your projects. If you found this journey through AI agents valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge AI content, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss future videos where we'll dive deeper into advanced agent building techniques. Remember, the future of AI is being built today, one agent at a time. And now, you have the knowledge to be part of that future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.